How to edit contact info in Amex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the contact info. First of all, open the application. Now here in your home page, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now on the top, at this profile section, you'll be able to see edit contact info. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can make changes. Now here on the right top, simply tap on edit. Now here you'll be able to change everything from your name, mobile number and email. So input the number, your name and the essential details in order to fill it. At last, simply tap on save and you're done. So this is how you edit all your profile in this application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.